Hello everyone, welcome to Vigo Webs. Today we are going to see about how to fetch the stock market data by using Alpha Vantage API. Here we can get the stock Apple name, price change that is in percentage, then the Apple description. Here some of the stock information such as sector, previous close, open, high, low, volume, 52-week high and low, market capitalization, book value, EPS, beta and PE, dividend yield and the 200 DMA and EBITDA values. This is a dummy button. I didn't add any link for that one. Let me start to code for this API. Here in the HTML, I am already added the style.css, script.js. Here first I am adding the div container. Then h2 stock market data. Okay. Then another div for input group. Input group. Inside this div, I am adding the input field for entering the stock symbol. Input type text ID stock symbol. Then adding the placeholder enter stock symbol. Then adding the button on click. Fetch stock data. Button value as get stock data. Then followed by adding another div for company information. Company info. Inside this div, first adding the company name in a paragraph. Class company name then ID company name. Okay. Then another paragraph for stock price info. Stock price info. Inside this paragraph, I am adding the two values, for one for stock price, another stock price change. Here I am editing the span tag and tag class stock price and giving the ID stock price. Hyphen. The same way for the price change. and followed by company description. Company description. ID. Company description. Next, below the description, I am adding the table in a div. Table. Here I am adding the two table. Table header, sector, and another div, td, id, sector. Like this, I am adding next 7 table rows and copying and paste it down. Later, we can change the table header value and table data value. 3, 4. Totally 8 rows. I am quickly change these values. I am going to add the another table for some more information in the right side. So I am copying this table and paste it below, and again I am quickly changing these values. Market cap, book value, and after this table, here I am adding for 2 dummy button for buy and sell. Adding button group in a div, button class buy, button value buy. For sell, class name sell button. Now let me start to give style to this HTML. For the body, font family, Arial, background color, giving some dark color, the text color white, text align center, padding 20 pixel. For the container, max width 800 pixel, the margin auto. for the input and button padding 10 pixel, margin 10 pixel, font size 16 pixel. For button, cursor, pointer, background color 8, 5, a green color. Then button text white, border none. Company info, margin bottom 20 pixel. And for the company name, font size 36 pixel, font weight can give bold, color white, text align, justify, margin bottom 10 pixel. The company info name description we can see after the API key added into the script. Stock price info, text align, justify. Then stock price, font size giving the larger size 32 pixel, font weight giving bold, and the color white, background and 61820, display inline block, padding 5 pixel, 10 pixel, border radius 5 pixel, and the margin top 5 pixel. And the stock change, font size, and the font size 18 pixel, font weight bold, the margin left 10 pixel. And for the company description, font size 14 pixel, color light gray color, margin top 10 pixel, text align, you can give justify. And for the tables, what we added table, can change tables. So we have two tables, display flex, justify content, center, gap 20 pixel. Now for the style for the each table with 45% border, collapse, background white, box shadow 0.5 pixel, 5 pixel, RGBA value 0, 0, 0 and the alpha 0.1. Then table header and the table data, padding 10 pixel, border 1 pixel, solid, you can see the border, text align left, and the color you can use this dark color, th, background, and the color white. For the button group, margin top 20 pixel, by button, cell button with 100 pixel and the text color white. For the cell button, we can change the button color to red. That's all about this styles. Now let me give script to this. Here I am already assigned the values, API key, API URL, overview URL and time series URL, and these are the values. Here you can replace with your Alpha Vantage API key. Here I will show you how to get the API key and the values. First type Alpha Vantage API. First result, this is the API. Here you can see the stock market API documentation, and here get free API key. Free means there is a limit per day 25 requests. Let's click on this one. For the API document, and for getting free API key, click here and choose the options: investors, software developer, educator, student, others. You can choose anyone. I am choosing other. The company name, example, I am giving Vigo, and the email, I am giving Vigo, and and click on the API. Now you can see the API key value here. In the document, we are using two APIs. One is time series API, another one overview API. In the time series API, we are getting the monthly data. So here time series monthly adjusted. Can see the example JSON output. Can get it from here. These are the information we used in the app. Open, high, low, price, volume, previous close, change and its percentage. And the overview URL, company overview. Here can get the JSON output here. These are the list of informations. We can use it from this API. I am used some of the major terms such as name, description and the sector, EBITDA, book value, EPS and some more thing. Here this 52 weeks high and low and 200-day moving average. Now let me add the script. Function already we named fetch stock data constant symbol equal document dot get element by id stock symbol dot value dot to uppercase. If simple alert please enter stock symbol. Return. Try constant stock URL equal. Here I am using this API value which is got from the documentation. Constant stock response equal await fetch stock URL. Constant stock data equal await stock response dot JSON if stock data global quote alert invalid stock symbol or API limit exceeded. Return. Constant stock data global quote constant change equal parse float stock 09 dot change dot to fixed to. Here 9 change, this one is we used from the API. This is the thing we used here in the script. And here document dot get element by id stock price dot inner text good dollar again dollar parse float stock here price to fixed to. Now I am copy this one for the next other values 3. Now I am quickly replace the element id value and the stock API values. Here in the stock chain I am removing the parse float adding another value for the stock price change dollar stock value is here 10. Can remove this one. For the stock change I am adding the color document dot get element by id stock change dot style dot color equal change greater than equal 0. It is green or red. And for the volume I am removing the parse float Now I am adding the another API for getting the company informations. Constant overview URL equal I am using this API value constant overview response equal await fetch overview URL constant overview data equal await overview response dot json. If overview data document dot get element by id company name dot inner text equal overview data name company name not available. Copy this one for the company description. Here no description available. Here document dot get element by id stock 52 week high dot inner text equal dollar overview data 52 week high. This information we are getting from the API documentation from here. Like this, I am adding for other values quickly. Here I am added the other stock market informations, which is from here. For example, stock market 52 week low, I got from here 52 weeks low. These are the informations I am added from the API. Market cap, sector, book value, book value. These are information I used here, and these are the IDs from the HTML. Now catch error console dot error fetching stock data. Error alert error fetching stock data. Please try again later. That's all about the script. Let me add our API key here and check the final output. Can I paste it here? Here I'll giving Tesla. We got the information Tesla Inc. price change and the description and the other stock data. Now I'll give another stock name IBM. Here we got the information. Give some other name Infosys. Showing the information of Infosys. Netflix. Got the data about Netflix, description and stock informations. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.